Hey lads, TechScanning here. Though the HTC that was once popular because of its smartphones is now known for its VR gadgets. However, after a long vacations, the brand is teasing with a new smartphone, the HTC U23 Pro, that could have something exciting for you. So after paying a visit on Geekbench, which reveals that the handset will be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 and 12GB of RAM, now finally we got some real life photos of HTC U23 Pro alongside some key specs. So looking at the handset, unlike the latest circular rear camera module trend, the HTC U23 Pro sports slightly raised rectangular camera island housing a quad camera setup. So where most devices are getting out with dual or triple camera setup, HTC U23 Pro will offer one additional sensor. Hope we will get some good zoom lens here. While the branding on the camera module confirms that the handset will have 108 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. Luckily, the leaked image also revealed the front look of the handset, and as we can see, the display, which is said to be 120Hz AMOLED display, will have a punch hole cut out on the top center. Interestingly, the device in the leaked images sport 8GB of RAM, unlike the Geekbench listing which says there will be 12GB of RAM. So this means there will be at least 2 RAM variants of the handset. Further, one of the image confirmed that under the hood it will get a good 4600 mAh of battery capacity. Another interesting thing about the device that it will be most likely integrated with their HTC Metaverse platform, the Viverse, as shown in the official teaser. So most likely the U23 Pro will support easy integration with HTC VR gadgets and support for AR apps. I guess it will be interesting to see what special it will bring to the table. So the HTC U23 Pro is speculated to launch in July, and we may get the exact launch date in the coming weeks. But let me know what you think about the HTC U23 Pro, especially when it is getting mixed up with virtual reality. And that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe for the future updates, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.